Is this recording? Let me see. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. This is the Mailman 22, and I'm making a burp contest piece. And don't embarrass me for making this, cause okay, never mind. And whoever has the loudest, coolest burp wins. You'll win 2 favorited videos. Ouch. You'll win 3 5-star rated videos. And 1 subscription and a friend invite. And you must show your face and your mouth, because some people just cover up the screen and make burp noises that don't count. And I would also like to make a shout out to the people that have already subscribed me. Julie, Sup Astar, then Luigi Mario 1 2 3 4 5 6, then Burp Boy 5 4 3 2 1, RE4 Rocks 12 12, I Heart Jimothy. I don't even know a Jimothy, and I don't heart one. It's just the guy's name. William 103 NUFC. Dynasty 84, I think that's the name. I don't know. Frog Pass Games. I think it says Vampire Evenom 100. The Nazar, I think. The Nazar 99. Brian Cart 1. Brad's Blogs. And the Hoodative. I don't know. I'll just show you the pictures of them. Yeah. So yeah. Zoom in on them. Oh, let's zoom in. Oh, let's go. See. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So peace, and subscribe.